Lay's turned street sales into a snack empire. In 1932, a man Herman Lay sold potato chips from his car. Later, he bought Barrett Food Company, which was the original manufacturer of chips. Soon, Lay's became America's first national chip brand and pioneered TV ads, with its first ad saying, "So crisp, you can hear the freshness." But could a simple potato chip really take over the world? It did. In 1965, PepsiCo acquired Lay's, making Lay's a global powerhouse. Now it rules snacking industry with 200 plus flavors worldwide.